What is this? What the heck is this? What is this? Yes, this box actually is from 2019. October 19th, 2019 is when I actually bought this box. Now at the time, this was eBay's cheapest mystery box I could buy, and that's when mystery boxes were actually the big hoopla. After the year of 2019, eBay actually got really strict with their mystery boxes. So mystery boxes were no longer the same buying and selling on there. So I got one of the last few actual mystery boxes that could literally be anything. If you've ever been on YouTube like 4 or 5 years ago, you can see that you get some crazy stuff in there.
Oh, that's musty as hell. What is this? It's a pipe.
I'm really hoping for like a severed head, some type of Yakuza scroll or something crazy in here. For 3 years, if there's been a grail in here that I have not discovered, I'm gonna be, for one, pretty happy actually. That's gonna be sick. If it's like a rare, like Funko or something, I'm gonna be pretty upset that I didn't have it. Or actually, it may have retained its value, so maybe we have some like money right here. Just crack into this 3-year-old eBay mystery box. So my friends had some like good guesses as to what it is, but oh, that was deep. But yeah, my friends had some good guesses as to what they are, but I'm under the impression it's like one thing. They think it's like something normal. I don't know, dude. Mystery boxes back then, they were legit. At the very least, I hope it's something I can use, like a type of ball or something. It's a person trapped in here like, oh, help me. And I close the box up and just tape it, ship it back. All right, moment of truth. For 3 years, this box hasn't been opened. It's been sitting there. eBay's cheapest mystery box is... Did that kill the fun? Let's see. Oh, there's multiple things in here. Let's go. Oh, hey, a brand new pack of bicycle cards. That's clutch. You just got like yellowing on the white box cover. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like some yellowing on the box. Hey, but it's still wrapped up new. That's, oh, let's go. All right, there's some more in here. What is this? Oh, God bless America, my youths. Jeez, it's an American flag emblem for the car. I gotta throw that on the whip skis later. Sheesh. What else is in here? What is this? What the heck is this? What is this? What? American Auto Parade flag. Look at the picture of this. Like, why would you put those on the front of the whip? Jeez. There she is, baby. Look at the whip skis looking clean, ready to transport a Prezi or something, dog. It's gonna be sick from when my boy Trumpers comes back. Jeez, it's gonna be sick. I'm gonna be repping the USA, dog. All right. We also have a Marvel Spider-Man. Wow. So this Spider-Man is from 2016. I don't know, maybe some rare cop. Maybe people have been waiting for this to come out. Who knows? We got some more. Hold on. I was right. Of course I was right. A little cyborg, little baby vinyl keychain. Is that some rare-ish right there? That's some rare stuff. A little cyborg. What year is this from? Oh man, trying to read the shit. Oh, y'all gotta let me know in the comments if that's something like $1 million Funko right there. That's a little, I like my boy right there. I'm gonna keep that. Now, I think that was the last thing in here after this, but let's see. There's a t-shirt in here, and all I see is some type of animal, I think, on it, so it's gotta be sick. Oh, what? Yo, look at... This Gas Monkey Garage shirt, sheesh. Yo, this is dope. This by itself was worth way more than the box. Sheesh, did I get this from like Gas Monkey Garages? Like, did they sell stuff on eBay back then? Yo, this is legit. It still got like the L sticker on there, so it's like brand new. I got this like monkey here on the side. Yo, if you know anything about Gas Monkey Garage, dude, in Texas, sheesh. What was their show called? Fast and Loud. Dude, Dallas, Texas reppin'. Sheesh, look at this Gas Monkey shirt. That is so dope. All of this, dude, this is, I don't know what kind of, wait, I'm gonna look this up. I'm gonna put this is the total of the box set. So it's everything right here. This is what I paid for, but you gotta let me know if, this is actually worth it. But damn, yo, for 3 years, this Gas Monkey shirt has been sitting in this box. That's crazy. How many times I could have put on this flag on the whip, dog? Man, I could have been repping the USA. Sheesh. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Here's all the stuff that I got. I think it's pretty sick. That was pretty nice for having a 3-year, like, this is the cheapest mystery box on eBay at the time. So considering everything, I think that's pretty sick. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at netflipsyt. New song, Watch Me Remix featuring Marco in the description. Make sure you guys hit that. Go support me on the music ting. But yes, remember to flip that trash into cash. And as always, I will see you on the next one. Peace. How the hell do I open this? What the hell? Spider-Man takes down crime with incredible web slinging. Just put this on or something. Jeez. This is a, dude, it's a large too. It's literally my size. Like, what the F? Damn, this fit goes crazy. Jeez. Boy, it's a little tight, but I mean, that could be because I'm wearing 17 shirts right now. Oh, the mic fell. Oh no, the mic fell. Oh. Actually, how do I put this back? How do I put this back? Okay. The style that's been sitting in this box just winking at me, just gawking me down, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that is the unboxing of a 3-year-old cheapest mystery box from 2019.